Take 4 on sound. Normally on a set, this would be the job of the second AC or a tertiary AC if one might be around, or even a PA. One of the responsibilities of the sound department is communication. We have to communicate time code, we have to communicate the mix to the cameras, we have to communicate the mix to other people on the set, be they producers or director, or sometimes a director of photography also wants an IFB. An IFB stands for interruptible foldback, and basically that is a device that's just a listening device with headphones on it. It's wireless, and it gives anyone who's listening to it the mix that's coming from the production sound mixer's recording device.